Alright, I'm gonna fly straight out from myself. Get a punch out over North Texas, North Dallas. That's downtown, right in the middle, right above myself, going in. Strong winds. Can't believe this mall's gone, and this has been sitting here for years waiting for them to redevelop it, and nothing's been done. .635 straight ahead. Double tree right there in the middle. I used to work there in FedEx, all those buildings right in front of me. I used to work on computers in all of those buildings there. Looking towards the I-5, East 635. Flying into the wind still. I'm gonna get ready to flip it. Now we are moving. I'm right here, somewhere down in there. I don't even know where I am. There's Montfort. There I am. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. It's not the best area to fly. I just wanted to see that mall pad. Ugh. I do want to rip one more pack down this stretch here.